Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol VRAY. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, if you're new to charts and not quite sure what I mean by 30-minute time frame, I do offer a quick explanation video right there. So go to that link and I'll explain it to you in detail. I did this analysis on Monday, so that is where the red and green line annotations are coming from. And after today's price movement, definitely some updates here need to be made. First thing I'm going to do, though, is some house cleaning here and just get rid of that line. Sure, that level pertains to the chart. It's just not relevant right now. And from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion because there's lines everywhere. So let's try to keep this as clean as possible. The first update, though, that does need to be made comes about based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. So going into the day, this level here was an area of support. What I am going to do here is actually adjust this level up some more. So I realize I'm just adjusting it, but the key dynamic here is what direction did the adjustment take place? And when you are adjusting levels of support upwards, assuming of course you're bullish, that is definitely a good sign. So once again, adjustments of supports higher, that's exactly what you want to see. So on that note, 275 there would be now what I would call the ideal level of support. I mean, if you say, Clay, what would make this chart look the best going forward? Definitely, ideally speaking, if the price can stay up above 275, that would be a huge sign of power. Now, with that being said, if the price falls below that area, that doesn't mean the entire chart's destroyed or ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price could manage to stay above there, that would be a great sign of power. Taking a step back and looking at all this from the bigger picture point of view, that is where the purple line there comes into play, the 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. As time goes on, that line there is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very straightforward way to gauge the health of the move, that right there I am defining as the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. However you can best visualize that, that is what is being represented. Again, yeah, staying above 275 would be great, but from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. What about levels of resistance moving forward? In the very near term, that first key level of resistance is going to be right there at $2.92. If the price can push up through there, which you can see kind of a little double top resistance right there. But if the price can push up through that level, then the next key overarching level, not until up there at above $3 at $3.15. So all in all, though, anyway, look at it. Great movement today. And as long as the price continues to chip away and build those higher lows, that's what you want to see. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.